I have a Audi here on the frame rack. This one's getting a quarter panel repair. Punched right through this wheelhouse right here. Nothing too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and start working the metal out on this one. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fit this bumper bracket on here and fit the bumper up. I'm pretty positive it lines up just fine, but I want to make sure this line is good right here. Make sure this curve is just right. So I'm going to go ahead and fit it up just to double check it. Looks like the bumper fits good. I'm going to go ahead and lift that back off and get this quarter panel primed up.